So this is a little awkward, this back part, but you know, we have to tape that closed.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay.
Lights on.
So I still have to do the plexiglass and the sailboats and the seagulls.
Yeah, but show me where you've done some for.
So underneath here, you can see that there's 2 bedrooms, the living room underneath the underwater area, and a bedroom in the underwater area. This is all water in here. It's supposed to be water.
Neat.
Yeah.
And then up top it's dry land.
Up top, it's all
Welcome.
dry land, and look, there's the rooms. There's a little sunroom over here with a table in it. Upstairs there's a grand piano.
Where? Oh yeah.
You can see it better from this side. Downstairs there's a bar and a living room and a spiral staircase. An outdoor patio area.
Neat.
You see the upstairs?
Yeah, you can see through the skylight.
Really pretty.
What's this called?
This is Hawaiian. Impression Hawaiian.
Impression Hawaii. Impression Hawaii. Very cool.
Yeah. It's almost done.